Okay, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go microphone system. So let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. Okay, we've got a little tape down here. Let's just go and peel that off. Or use our nail. Try and do that. Okay, should have thought this one through. It's alright. Got my keys on me. Just use the old bottle opener action. Okay, good. Got that out. Let's see, do I push this through? I want to rip this off. I just go like this. Oh, there we go. So that's the external case gone. Okay, here we go. This is the Wireless Go package. Nice little tear strip here. So let's go ahead and take that off. Okay. All right. Let's pop open the top. And of course, we're greeted with a little quick start guide. So I'll look over that later. Is it part of the box? Looks like it's part of the box, yeah. Let's go ahead and get that. Well, let's get the little components. We've got the two pieces here, the receiver and the transmitter. Let's go ahead and see if we can't get that out. Okay. And that's all that there is in that box. So at the bottom, of course, we have some accessories. We have some cords. We have the transmitters. So let's get the bottom stuff out first. Down here, we've got the little dead cat, or dead rat, I guess. Got a little user manual. Okay. Of course, our dry absorb water things. Got our mic cable. And got a handy dandy little pouch to put the whole shebang in. Okay. And then we got our other dead cat, dead rat. Okay. And then here, of course, is the actual transmitter and receiver itself. Let's see, inside these components, we've got two charge cables, so I can charge both devices independently at the same time. That's nice. USB-C, perfect. Two more USB-C charging cables for when I go need them. And it looks like they're clipped in here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and just pull those off. Okay, that's it for this piece of material. Obviously, we've got the quick start guide that I'll check out later, but other than that, there's not much else to it. So, and here's the two transmitters. So, or the transmitter and the receiver. Got the nice little plastic on there. So I'll go ahead and take that off right now, so we can fully christen this. Oh, I think I broke that one, but that's okay. That'll just be a screen protector. So there we go. So this is everything in the whole package, and I'm really looking forward to giving this a full review here in the coming weeks. Let me just make that a little bit nicer, nicely more displayed for the thumbnail that I'll eventually put together, which everything is now to the right there. So there we go. That's a little bit better spaced out, right? Maybe? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so there we go. That's the whole Rode wireless mic system. I'll be giving it a full review in the coming weeks.